In economic terms, tourism has become one of the fastest growing sectors of our time, generating income. In this sense, tourism is generating significant multiplier effects on social inclusion and economic empowerment. Sustainable tourism has unique ability to connect sectors into advanced sustainable development. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, it is time to promote sustainable tourism to create income opportunities for local populations, to enhance understanding and friendship between nations, to increase environmental awareness and protect the natural heritage. I wish to say that all our public schools have duly established tourism clubs in the schools and elected their coordinators, except some private schools who are yet to do that. In federals, executives have been elected to oversee activities of TOSOGHA here in Efutu. I want to assure you the Executive Director, Mr. Amate, and his team of our commitment to ensure sustainable success. But as a privilege, we in the Education Directorate will do everything possible to ensure that the various clubs will be inaugurated at the appropriate time. So today, we are inaugurating the executives congratulations. Okay, so the various executives elected are John Baptist, the President, Lidata Hoffman, Vice President, Mercy A.C. Harrison, Secretary, Alasan Suleiman, Vice, Mary Cecil, Organizer, Victoria Boabeng, Financial Secretary. That's where our game is. Sueba Abubakar Sinem, Treasurer, Sabella Yam, Female Rep, Shani Ajido Soka, Executive Member, Emmanuel Jebi, Culture Coordinator, Efutu Municipal Education. Society of Ghana, TOSOGHA, who in the name of the Almighty God swear that I will be faithful and keep the Tourism Society of Ghana, TOSOGHA, that I will at all times preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of Tourism Society of Ghana, and that I will dedicate myself to the service and well-being of all members of Tourism Society of Ghana, and people like all manner of persons. So help me God. Congratulations.
TOSOGHA, friends from the media, distinguished invited guests, the vibrant TOSOGHA fraternity, ladies and gentlemen. It is with great privilege and joyous heart that I stand here today as the first president of the Winneba chapter of Tourism Society of Ghana. On behalf of the entire elected executives, I say our utmost offer of thanksgiving goes to the Almighty God for the strength and the spirit of commitment He has given us to fight the good fight of contesting for our various positions in Tourism Society of Ghana. Mr. Chairman, I humbly want to say a very big thank you to the National Executives of Tourism Society of Ghana for instituting TOSOGHA here in Winneba. I give my promise on behalf of all elected executives of TOSOGHA that we are going to work effectively and efficiently to defend the constitution of TOSOGHA. We will bring on board attractive programs that will be strictly guided by the TOSOGHA constitution. As a result, I, on behalf of the entire elected executives, want to assure the Minister of Tourism, National and Regional Executives of TOSOGHA, GES Director, the Paramount Chief of Efutu Traditional Area, and school coordinators, as well as the entire student body, that the Winneba chapter of TOSOGHA is in safe hands. We understand our induction today as a call to duty, a charge we have to keep, and God on our side, we shall put in our best to continue to grow from strength to strength. Mr. Chairman, as we seek to continue living together as one big family, but not in isolation, the leadership is currently looking at organizing the first ever educational trip to Larabanga Mosque, Bole National Park, and the Mystic Stone in the northern region of Ghana, and Kintampo Waterfall, to unite, have fun, and plan ways of supporting and the development of our much loved and highly appreciated TOSOGHA. This, we believe, will also serve as a good motivation to members. God bless you all for accepting and supporting the Winneba chapter of TOSOGHA. Let us never forget that Winneba TOSOGHA is for you, it is for me, it is for all of us. So let's make it a great deal. Long live Tourism Society of Ghana. Long live Winneba chapter of TOSOGHA. Thank you very much.